system. Today we are going to see step-by-step process for Neptronic's SKE4 humidity firmware update. So this is a crucial update. We'll see step by step why it is important and so on. Let's get started. So before we start the process, because I have recorded this on site, so I just give you an overview why this is important. So the humidity control signal via backnet can also be controlled, where you will be writing to particular AV and BV to enable. So in this system, the problem is whenever you set a network parameter to control over the backnet, so that relinquishes to its original state or relinquish default whenever there is a power failure to the board. So this is a crucial update. So we will see step by step and go through the process and know what are the things that are needed. Firstly, so let's get started. So you can follow this document for any of the SKE, SK4 or SKE4. So the thumb drive has to be properly formatted, and you'll be using a FAT32 format. So first you will be placing your humidity controller or the humidifier itself in off, and then you will be trying to insert the thumb drive. So in the thumb drive you will be having the NUP software file. So as you see on the video, please make sure to follow as it is. So the unit was first placed in off and the thumb drive was inserted. So once the thumb drive is inserted, so you can turn back on from the main isolation switch. So you can see there is a default login password. So there are different level of login. The one which we are going to use gives you the level 7 login. So let's keep watching the video, then we know what is the next step. So once it is turned on, so you will be using password 7654, which is a factory menu. So once you go into that, so go to the system menu and proceed to the extended configuration menu and write down all the parameter values. So currently we are in step 5. So we are going to select the system menu and find the save factory option, and then we're gonna click yes. So once you do that, you saw that there was a white and purple LED blinking. That means the factory configurations are saved. Okay, next is navigating to the extended configuration menu. So here there are different parameters related to humidity control. So here you can just navigate and note down all the parameter or all the startup setup that was done on this humidifier. Make sure to note them or take a snip of it as shown in the video. So that's how you will be saving your previous data. There are a lot of parameters in here, so just don't skip any of these parameters. Make sure to save all the data that was already in the system. So we'll go back. So we are going to exit that menu and we are going to factory menu, and then we are going to select integration menu. So integration menu is basically if you are trying to integrate the system using backnet, MSTP or a Modbus communication. So in this case it is backnet MSTP. So we are just making sure that whatever the network setup was in there, just remembering that is important. So but make a note of it. Yeah. So then after this we will be navigating to the integration menu and access the installation menu. Then select control and then go to control profile menu and write down all the settings that are there in that menu, right? Okay, so once this is done, so you can um, exit the installation menu and access the administration menu. So let's see, currently we are going to import the configuration now. So we are going to go to installation menu and access the administration menu. So here we are selecting external network. That is because we want to send the signal via backnet to control the humidifier signal. So that's why we have set that as external network. So if you have an hardwired signal going into the humidifier, then you can select internal network and then the hardwired signal will take care of it. Okay, back. So we are going to administration menu now, and then we're gonna click on load new NUP. So here you can see that the thumb drive was loaded with the firmware, which was seen with all the version detail. The fire. So now we will fire this version to the humidifier. So you can see the displays blinking file verification. So we'll wait for some time, and then it will say validate this new firmware, and then you click OK, or as you see, true button on the display. Okay, so once you hit the click or true button, so you will start seeing a black progress on the screen, showing that what is the progress state. So wait until that is fully completed. And also you can see that the white and the purple lights are blinking. So once it is completed, you will start seeing the new screen popping up with a Neptronic logo on it. So once it is rebooted, this is also important step. So you will go to installation menu, but using a login of 4433 factory, and then find the reset factory, and then you will hit perform a factory reset. So we have not shown that under this video, but once you do the factory reset, so you have to go from step number 6 or 5. Then make sure to save all the data that you previously stored. So make sure all the parameters in the integration menu, then the installation menu and the control profile are set properly. So whatever the previous value you had, make sure to verify one by one and have the same parameter down there. So we are currently verifying with the previous snips that we took, making sure that all the parameters are set right and so on. So from the screen, you can also see there are different version of boards, one having a USB port on the front display, and the SKE4 and SKS4 PCBs have it on the side or on the back panel, just so that you know where are they located. So this should solve your issue, and there should be no comms loss when you finish this. Hope this helps you to update the firmware. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.